Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Haven't I been lucky this week? Not only I got this guy.
Hi, I'm Brian of Confused.com.
Whoops, I shouldn't have switched on, left and switched on. It's only on for...
Hi, I'm Brian of Confused.com. I love being your robo-friend. Yay! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Cheers, big ears. Whee! Confused.com. Bye, small person.
Not only I got him, but also I got this guy, and I've always wanted this guy because one of my mates, my old schoolmates, had this one before me. He got one of these for Christmas. I think it's the Optimus, the flight control Optimus Prime. He's not working at the minute, so we're gonna see if he does work. Because I want a fully functioning talking Optimus Prime. I will show him up, show him off. He does work. Please work for me. I've never had one before. If he's broken, oh, for fuck's sake. Ew. That was so lucky, man. So lucky. So lucky. Look at them. Those can bugger off. That was so lucky, man. Lucky I got it out and sit. Lucky I got them out at the same time. If this doesn't work, then I don't know what will work. Lucky I took them out, just in case. That was lucky. That was so lucky, man. They were just beginning to rot. And lucky it's 3 AAA batteries as well. Okay. Hands are clean. That was so lucky I did that. Lucky, 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 lucky me. Moment of truth. We will put new batteries in him and see if he works. Moment of truth. Brian's dead. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see if he will come back to life. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, guys. Wish me well. Okay, I'm pretty scared.
Optimus Prime.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He actually works! Fuck yeah! He actually works!
Autobots. Yeah. Yeah.
God. He actually works. He actually works. Wowzers, wowzers.
Optimus Prime. Autobots. Yeah. Decepticons. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. He works. Wow. Wow. I've got a Transformers toy which works for some which works. Thank God. Wow.
Optimus Prime. Autobots. Yeah.
I think this is his on mode and then
Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. Autobots. Yeah. Optimus Prime. Autobots. Yeah.
that was a lucky. That was so lucky of me, actually. That was so lucky. Now I'm very impressed that he works. I'm very impressed he works.
Decepticons. Yeah. Optimus Prime.
That is the coolest toy I ever got today. Now, you have never seen me in such a happy mood today. You have never seen me in one of these moods. Now, let me tell you about these moods I'm in right now. Now, when I get something that I've been wanting for years and years and years, I get in these moods where I'm like so happy, like I am now, because one of my mates, who I used to go to school with when I was younger, had this Optimus Prime. And he didn't let me play with it. Well, he did, but he didn't let me, because he knew that I would chuck it about and stuff, and he knew I got very angry and stuff. But, wow, I found one today, and I'm like, Jesus H. Christ. Wowzers, wowzers, wowzers. I'm impressed with myself. Like, you never know. I may find an Ultimate Wally. You never know. Somewhere down the line this year or next year, I go to a Carby sale and I find an Ultimate Wally. Brand new in box, never been opened, never been used. Wow. You never know. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more reviews coming your way. And yeah, an unboxing of the blaster gun from Saberforge is coming your way as well. Let's pick Brian up. Come here, Brian. Where is he? Where's my Brian boy? Where is he? Oh my baby, Brian, I'm so sorry. Honest, I'm so sorry. And I've been wanting this one as well. So I've been doing good this year. For a girlfriend. Nah. Been pretty shit.
Hi, I'm Brian of Confused.com.
Oh, it sounds weird now.
I love being your robo-friend. Yay! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Cheers, big ears. Whee! Confused.com.
There we go. Finally, I got one of the Brian robots. And Optimus Prime. And I got the Roboson one as well. Which is pretty awesome. You see that? Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more reviews coming your way. You never know what's coming up next.